Hello, I'm Tess Prince and welcome to my outside kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the most beautiful love balls, and they're so easy to make and you will not believe how delicious they are. All you need is 2 pieces of equipment, and that is a food processor and your hands. It couldn't be more simple, so really you must give these a go because they're a pleasure to make but even more of a pleasure to eat. This next love ball has got to be my ultimate flavour combination. I've got orange, chocolate, which is the raw cacao, oozing caramel, sticky medjool dates, almonds, coconut, and I'm also using a little bit of orange blossom, so it's got that Middle Eastern Moroccan vibe. And I'm using maca powder, which is an incredible hormone balancer. So I'll generally start with the nuts because they're the crunchiest. So you want to break them down, but obviously not too much. So what you want with the nuts is a little bit of texture. You don't want it too sandy. Then you can add your dates. I always use medjool dates because they're just the best in my opinion, sticky and caramel. Raw cacao. That's desiccated coconut, unsweetened. Sultanas. And this is the amazing Peruvian maca powder. So that's all the dry ingredients, and then I just happen to have clementines that are growing in the garden, but you can use any oranges. And already I can smell that beautiful citrus aroma. And then I'm going to use orange blossom water, so only like a little few drops because it's quite strong. So we're going to blend that until it comes into like a sticky ball. So you just keep going, and then eventually it will start to form a ball. And then the rest of it you can manipulate with your hands. So you're going to have to get into the bowl. Eventually you get one large ball, and then you can just break off little sections and roll them up. So here I've got some dried raspberries, dehydrated raspberries. You can get those from health food stores. And then I've also got some raw cacao and some hazelnuts. But honestly, feel free, put whatever toppings that you have. You know, it's all about having fun. Squeeze as you roll, and then it will release a little bit of the natural oils. And that is just such a pretty colour combination. That dark, rich chocolate with a pop of cerise pink. Just looks so enticing, and it is utterly delicious. So for full recipe details and other variations, go to my website, lovefoodibiza.com. Thanks for watching.